Welcome to a school parking lot, a place of much waiting if you're a parent, and much wondering what happened to the life I used to have. And so it becomes an opportunity to practice a mindfulness moment. A mindfulness moment is a short period of time in which we choose to just focus on the present moment as we breathe deeply and exhale fully. While breathing in this way, we allow our thoughts and feelings to come and go without reacting to them. We're just aware that they're there, accept that they're there, but we don't react to them. So I invite you to begin breathing and just paying attention to what's around you. I hope that it's been helpful for you to take this time to just be mindful and slow down, allow your body to breathe and your thoughts and feelings to flow. And know that you're welcome back anytime to this place. I'll still be here, I'm sure.